Okay, what we have here is my very original, in quite amazing condition, HJ Kingswood. Still wearing its original paint. Very proud to own this car. It's a very tidy, recently rebuilt 202. And what we have over here is a little something I've been mucking around with. This is a V6 ecotec conversion out of a VT Commodore. About 18 months ago I actually had this engine in the car and got to the wiring stage and got a bit scared and chickened out and put the car back to the way it was. I've decided to have another crack, only this time I've done things a bit different. I decided that I'd get the engine running prior to putting it back in the car, just to prove to myself that I could. So I made up a battery box and simulated what I'd need on the dash and figured out all the wiring. This is a V6 conversions kit from V6 Conversions in Maureen, New South Wales. So I've set it all up here on the floor, sort of simulating as it would go into the car. Got my head around what I need to cut and what I don't. I want to keep the car as original as possible and easily reversible one day. The plan is to put this V6 in, which I had in a Calais, which I previously owned. It's a low kilometre engine. It's a fantastic engine. It's probably the nicest engine I've ever had in a motor vehicle, to tell you the truth. But in the future I will be towing my vintage caravan there with my Kingswood, hopefully all around this country. So I decided that for that purpose I will have a more efficient, more powerful, more economical and possibly more reliable engine to do that with. So this is what I've done. I've simulated a fuel tank and fuel pump down the back here, a bit of a 3/4 exhaust system just so I don't annoy the neighbours too much. There's the PCM. Over here is a couple of the V6 conversion speciality bits and pieces. That's actually what you're looking at there in the middle is a basically electronic speedo to convert from the electronic signal on the gearbox to transfer to a mechanical cable so that I can run my existing dash in the car without needing to cut, change or remove anything. This is a BCM simulator down here which gets rid of all the rubbish that goes with a modern car, all the electronics which try and stop you from pinching it and generally getting in the way when you're trying to do something like this. So that's V6 Conversion's quite simple answer to getting around all that headache. So I figure what I'll do now is show you that it goes. So my simple dashboard down here, I simply turn the ignition on. There's my lights on the dash as you'd see in the car. And there you go. And that, even though it hasn't been started for 18 months, is running smooth as a peach. So I dare say if I'm any good at this and I can get this video to YouTube, there will probably be a couple of more of these to come as I put the conversion in the car. So there you go. Thank you for watching.